I'll go.
Feels like a good day to die, gentlemen. 3, 2, 1.
I've seen him. He's straight ahead, and there's another guy right over there in that corner.
Oh crap, it's coming up, it's coming up. Take it, take it. Well, look at that.
Okay, here. It's spring.
Whatever works. You got this whole side covered. 3, 2, 1.
We won! Saw the force of a great typhoon. I think this little bunker right here, I'm gonna run in safety. Okay. Safety! Safety! Good job, guys. I don't know where he's shooting me from.
I know you were pinned down. Get me running across.
Yeah, I think so. I think so, yeah. I watched you run and then my cover blocked. Yep. And then I heard you like bump into the thing.
Oh, dude.
Wait, where's Gary?
Oh, come on, man. Was that?
Go ahead, guys, go ahead and push that door. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Snake! 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 Screws your whole plan. All right. They're hitting this wall right here. Wall we're hiding behind.
It's a blue barrel.
I see the blue barrels. Oh, I just need to go across. Come on. I'm waiting for him at this window, okay? Because I know he's in between where those blue barrels are over here and this window. So if he's in between these two, oh, that's our teammate. We're good over here. Hey, just checking. He saw me. Yeah, he's not even looking at us.
Watch out.
No. Yeah, we got it. Sweet. We got a friendly. We gotta move. Go!
You have to ride it in? I could have swore you guys had to ride it. Wait, did they have to ride it in?
Ride it in or throw it in, Michael just said.
Ride it in.
Yeah!
You would have had me had I ride it in.
You cheeky bastard. I was like, Jason hasn't been here the entire round. Where is he?
Like, what do I do? He's still coming.
Yeah! Shit. That is what I truly like to be. If I was an Oscar Mayer wiener, everyone would be in love with me. Yeehaw! Josh! Oh. Good body shield, Newberger. I got it. What? I did? Oh. Good job, man. Way to clutch. Yeah! Woo! 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 No way! I totally screwed up. Let's go! Oh my god, I suck! Yeah! Woo! I went the wrong way! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Okay. Yeah! 12 o'clock!
How about a nice cup of liberty?
Coming out of the spawn, I got 3 of them. Woo! That was close! Oh! Snap! Oh, their guns are so far away. I'm running to that piece of cover right here. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Shit.
Live or die, gentlemen, our spirit will live on.
I see him. Woo! Oh, this is crazy! What's up? Oh, we got each other. Nice one. Yeah. Safety! Woo! Oh, you're good. Good job, man. No, I wasn't gonna shoot. Come on, come on. We gotta do something. We can't just chill. Yep! Wow, okay. Hey! How you doing? Alright.
get hit.
Ready.
You want to go for the bomb? You got me.
You got it.
Okay, 3. I got this side. You cover that side.
All right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, guy on the bomb, do you have a pistol? I do. Does it have its mag in it? No, it does not. Oh, thank you. I don't know how, but it came flying. When you came up to the bomb, it came flying out.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Yeah, I know. I stopped and hesitated. I was like, I just 5 seconds left.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
Dude, battery upgrade. Good choice.